पैसेज नंबर 10 से जो पिटिशन जो डाकुली आप्लिकेशन रिट पिटिशन रेस्ट ऑफ द पाराज से डाकि तो स्लो विदिन 80 वर्ड पर मिनिट भीतर ही रही लिखि सारापर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करने भूल नहीं बिकज इमिडिएट लिखि सारापर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करने ट्रांसक्राइब करने तो बहुत मात्रा यह लाभदायक हम एवं आगामी एग्जाम बा परीक्षा मानक बहुत सहायक हम। So आम ए पैसेज नंबर 10 को जीवा 10 just I am sharing on the whiteboard, so let's just give me 1 minute. Read application, where is it? This is read petition. Okay, this is the petition जो थी मुझे डाकी बर्तमान आम तार appropriate पेज को जीवा जो पेज डिक्टेशन डाकिबी काली गतकाली पारा 7 पारा 8 डाकी गतकाली मीन्स लास्ट पैसेज नंबर 9 रे पारा 7 8 थिला एवं ता सहित देखिबा को पारा यस ए पृष्ठाटी मध्य डाकी यस एटा बोध हुए डाकी नथिली anyway leave it. हाँ बर्तमान पारा 11 मु डिक्टेट स्टार्ट करी। सो नाउ गेट रेडी एंड टेक डाउन द डिक्टेशन टिके बड़ करदबा करेक्ट स्टार्ट दैट it is further pertaining to mention here that comma the constructing agency is having a responsibility to take up the plantation work on the either side of the road, but in the case the opposite party numbers 10 and 11 had acquired forest land in construction of 4-lane national highway between Panikoili to Rimuli section, and for the same the said constructing agencies deforested the forest land measuring about 151.94 hectares full stop, that the constructing or user agencies failed to establish a notified place for afforestation full stop. The constructing agency or user agency having responsibility of afforestation on the either side of the road thrice the number of non-forest trees to be failed, FELLED, failed, full stop. Such action of the opposite party numbers 6, 10 and 11 are having serious implication upon the atmosphere, which is causing intolerable pollution, and the said act of the constructing agency is a clear violation of Central Forest Acts and rules, which attracts several penal provisions also, full stop. That it is evident from the documentary evidence which is available on which is available on internet, issued by the conservator of forest within bracket Central by its letter number ... dated 27/1/2014, stated therein that a site inspection conducted by his office for diversion of forest land measuring about 151.94 hectare for 4/6 laning, widening and strengthening of existing 2 lanes of National Highway number 215/20, observed that during the said works, full stop. Further, the compensatory satisfaction scheme has been prepared for RDF plantation for planting 300 numbers of plants per hectare for the entire area, but the user agency as much as private respondents fail to compensate the same till date. Full stop. Next para, number 12. That it is necessary to state here that, comma, the above undertaken project of the constructing agency is completely illegal and arbitrary in all manners, full stop. In order to facilitate the mining companies, especially the big miners like SL Mining, ESCL, SL Mining, Rungta Mines, KJS Aluwalia, etc. The modus operandi of the constructing agency is such, which is a lethal blow to the interest of the public in general, full stop. Is having hand in gloves with the said mining companies and doing haphazard construction work so that the national highway gets freed soon, or there will be no obstruction of the road for plying the overloaded iron ore trucks, which is generally raised out of illegal mining. As a matter of practice, and such trucks do not require good roads and can ply on any road, full stop. As evident from a series of accidents which claims lives of the general public at large. For example, on 19/2/2021, an overloaded iron ore truck lost its balance and fell over a full capacity passenger bus over Salapada overbridge in Keonjhar district, full stop. The above stated incident shows the negligence on the part of the constructing agency and the mining companies, full stop. Irrespective of the above stated facts and circumstances, the state instrumentalities failed, FILD failed to take any stringent action against the constructing agency and the mining companies till date, full stop. Yes, dictation ends here. So now, after taking down the dictation, it is the responsibility and duty of the student to transcribe it immediately so that the mistake which have been done by you will be pointed out, and you will get clarified that to what extent you have been able to transcribe the whole passage. Thank you.